Okay, we've put a new battery in to our little charging circuit. There's our multimeter leads. So let's start off worst case. Let's set the voltage for 3.3, 5.3 volts at the charger, and we're going to set the current at the full output of the charger, which is 5 amps. So let's see what happens. We're at 3.24 at the battery. Here we go. Nothing happens. Okay. Let's turn the current down to 4 amps and go. Okay, it will take 4 amps for just a brief moment and then stops. So let's go to 3 amps. And here we go. And it's taking 3 amps. Notice the voltage across the battery is immediately at 4.06 volts and climbing. So this is worst case. It's the most this battery will take. Well, let's double check that. Let's change the current to 3.5. See if it'll take that. Okay, it'll take 3.5. 3.6. Yep. 3.7. 3.8. 3.9. Back to 4. And it shuts off at 4. So let's try 3.9. Okay, this is a torture test. We're showing 4.43 volts across the battery, which I do not like. Let's see at what level it goes to 4.2. 3.8 still high. 3.7 amps still high. 3.6 amps still high. 3.5 amps still high. Let's go to 3.2 amps. Still too high. 3 amps. Higher than I would like. Let's try 2.9. Yep. Still puts too much across the battery. Okay, that's starting the battery voltage across now. Let's go to 2.5 amps. Well, I think that's good enough for a torture test. We're seeing 4.16 and climbing. It's probably going to over voltage the reading on the battery itself at 2.5 amps. Our actual voltage set on the charger was 5.3, representing what we might see on a USB charger. So let's leave it there. This is a torture charge test.